Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Bitcoin because it is doing something very, very important that we need to pay attention to. Take a look at crypto.com CRO coin and see if we can break above that 10-cent price level. Let's hop into this video. So right now, guys, Bitcoin is trading just barely below $44,000. What a month we are having right now. Pretty incredible. But the most important thing I want to focus on right now is the Bitcoin dominance, 53.71%. When you exclude stablecoins, guys, that is 55.71%. This is what we need. We knew this was coming. This is very, very good. Very, very good. I wouldn't even mind if Bitcoin dominance came up even a little bit higher, maybe to get a little bit closer to 60%. The pre-halving years is when Bitcoin steals the show, and that's exactly what's happening right now. But that being said, we almost broke above $45,000 on Bitcoin, and then we came back down to about 44K. If we can stay at 44K right now, consolidate a little bit, you're going to see these altcoins do some ridiculous things. You're going to see 10x's. You're going to see 20x's, and some of the smaller cap coins, you might even see 1,000x's. I know it sounds crazy, but this is the environment it's setting up. It's getting ready. We're not even to the halving yet. Bitcoin made a big move up. It's coming down a little bit. We'll see in a little bit. It's down $1,000 after a what? I mean, let's measure this move. I haven't measured it in a little while. I mean, after bouncing off of 25,000, we came up to what? Yeah, what, a 65% move? Whew. That's the volatility coming back into crypto. You love to see it. But guys, once Bitcoin decides to cool off, you're really going to see these altcoins make some very, very, very important moves. So now, whatever your strategy may be, maybe it's not a bad idea to be looking at layering into some altcoins, figuring out what is lagging, what hasn't yet had a massive run-up like Solana. Solana had a massive run-up, but I will say it's cooled off. And then Bitcoin has come up and is stealing the show. So I do think that there's a lot of other coins here that are really going to shine significantly. I think a lot of people aren't ready for what's to come. As long as we can stay at this level, guys, around the 43,000 for a week or so, maybe even come down just a little bit more to like 42K, you're going to see altcoins move very, 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 very hard. Okay, so right now, Bitcoin is coming up and testing this $45,000 price level. I talked about this yesterday, exactly as predicted. I would like to see a little bit of a test here, maybe a little bit of a bounce down to say 42,000, like I just said. But, you know, we could even create a little bit of a bull flag here. If we could create a bull flag on the daily right here and have another breakout, we could definitely be looking at 55,000 by the end of the year, which is very, very ridiculous. I know, I think it's very aggressive, and I've been talking about how I don't really think that it's possible. I thought that 45,000, low 40,000s was a appropriate level to reach before the halving. But guys, I will say that there is not a lot of FOMO from the people outside of this crypto space yet. There's not mass hype. People aren't ready for it, which tells me that we probably have some more room to the upside before the halving, which is quite something. We got the Bitcoin Spot ETF, January. Is it going to be a sell the news event? Maybe. But will it be significant? Will it bring us down 50%? Maybe. In bull markets, 50% drawdowns are not unheard of. We've had them happen many, many times. Look at, I mean, back here, this was an aggressive one. I remember vividly what this was like, coming down 50% off of 64,000. I remember what that was like, and a lot of people thought it was over, but a lot of people, the smart ones, knew that, hey, we still got time on our side. We still got time. And this was the talking point was a Wyckoff accumulation phase, basically right here, and that's exactly what happened. I mean, I know a lot of people have their own strategies with Wyckoff or Elliott waves and all that stuff, but I like to look at it all from a bird's eye view and pull from each strategy what I like the best and what works out best for me. That's exactly what you should do as well when it comes to trading and investing. I'm not a financial advisor. I just tell you guys my opinion, and I put my money where my mouth is. And as of right now, where am I putting my money? I am looking for altcoins. There are some meme coins that are absolutely going crazy, like Bonk. Bonk has done me very, 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 very well. I still am holding some of that position. Feel free to become a member and check out our private Discord. I'm much more active in there. I talk about my trades and whatnot. You can do that by going to our homepage, clicking the join button here, and you'll get a link to our Discord. But lots of things are doing very well. Bonk, for example, like I just said, I think I'm riding out a 30x at this point on my initial investment, which is incredible. I've already taken my initial out, so I'm just riding on pure profit. Some people call them like moon bags, but yeah, it's pure profit. We'll see how this goes. If my theory is correct, with that we're going to see a very significant altcoin run here. If Bitcoin doesn't topple over, probably see that do a few more X's. So that'd be very fantastic to see. Take some profit. I'll let you guys know when I take some profit on some of those meme coins. But when it comes to meme coins, I'm taking that profit and I'm not exiting the markets. I mean, right now is a very, very exciting time for crypto. I mean, right now is the time to be looking at altcoins and maximizing your gains. But what do you do after you get those gains? You need to take profit, whether that's put it into Bitcoin or put it into your bank account, put it into the real world, buy some real estate. That's up to you, but just make sure you guys you're taking some profit. It's, the saying I really like is, "No one went broke taking profits." It's so true. It's so important. It's so important that you take profit, guys. I've been in these cycles since 2016, 2015, around there, and it's a cycle, guys. They go in cycles. You get the big hype cycle, you collapse down. You get the big hype cycle, you collapse down. You don't want to just buy and hold it all the way down. I'm telling you, it's a really, really rough ride. I did that my first cycle around back in 2017, and ever since then, I'm always taking profit. I'm always taking profit. That's how you become a successful trader over the course of a long period of time. So what does that mean for CRO right now? CRO is trying to break above this 10-cent price level. It's been testing it. We've been getting those little tiny wicks breaking above it. But like I said, Bitcoin needs to enjoy itself in the spotlight, absorb all that liquidity before it lets the party start, before the altcoins can start moving up and making some big, big moves. But I will say that I do need to rain on the parade just a little bit, just a little bit, and say that be prepared, guys, if Bitcoin does take a little bit of a tumble, say down to anything below 35,000, that these altcoins probably will see a significant pullback. Maybe not CRO because CRO it's been kind of a laggard. It really has been kind of a laggard. I mean, yes, we did have this huge move here, but I would like to see more. I think that an appropriate price level to be looking at is around the 15 cents to 18-cent price target if Bitcoin decides to stay trading around the $42,000 price level. Once that Bitcoin dominance comes down a little bit. But like I said, guys, pre-halving years, Bitcoin steals the show. That's what's supposed to happen, and that's what's happening right now. So don't panic, because everything is going according to plan so far. Maybe people thought that we wouldn't have any move to the upside before the halving, but it's happening. The 4-year cycle is the best data point that we have, but it doesn't mean that it has to happen exactly candle for candle, wick for wick. But it is definitely rhyming. You know how people say history doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. It's very, very true. So, guys, that's all I really got. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to check out some awesome referral links down below. We have an $8,100 sign-up bonus with BitGet, $4,100 sign-up bonus with Femex. All you got to do is deposit, do a couple trades. They're trying to reward people that use their platform right now because they know the hype is coming back into the market. The volatility is coming back into the market. So feel free to check those out. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Go follow me on Twitter, 333 Blacksea. I'll see you in the next one.